Starting in the dropshipping market in 2025 is an exciting opportunity, and the best part, you don't need any prior experience to dive in. If you've ever dreamed of running your own business, dropshipping could be your ticket. It's accessible, flexible, and can be done from anywhere. So what exactly is dropshipping? It's a retail fulfillment method where you don't keep products in stock. Instead, when you sell a product, you purchase the item from a third party, usually a wholesaler or manufacturer, who then ships it directly to your customer. This means you can focus on marketing and growing your brand without worrying about inventory management or shipping logistics. It's a low-risk way to start a business, making it perfect for newcomers. Now, let's talk about how to create your store from scratch. First, you need to choose a platform. Popular options include Shopify, Shop, Cartpanda, and WooCommerce. Each has its strengths, so pick one that aligns with your needs. Next, select a market niche. This is crucial. Find something you're passionate about or that has a demand in the market. Once you've got your niche, it's time to create a visual identity. Think about your store's name, logo, and color scheme. These elements will help you stand out and attract customers. After that, set up your payment methods and shipping options. Make sure your store design is user-friendly and visually appealing. A well-designed store can significantly boost your conversion rates. Finding winning products is the next step. Research tools like Dropshipping, Minea, TikTok, Amazon, and Shopee can help you identify trending items. Look for products that have high demand but low competition. Characteristics of a good dropshipping product include a reasonable price point, a unique selling proposition, and the potential for high margins. Once you have a few products in mind, test them with ads or analyze what competitors are doing. This will give you insights into what works and what doesn't. Finally, let's discuss where to find reliable suppliers. Platforms like AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, and Weo are great starting points. They have a wide range of products and established relationships with manufacturers. If you prefer to work with local suppliers, do some research to find those who can meet your needs. Building a good relationship with your suppliers is essential. It ensures you get quality products and reliable shipping. By following these steps, you can successfully launch your dropshipping business in 25. Remember, the key is to stay persistent, keep learning, and adapt to the market. With dedication and the right strategies, you can turn your dropshipping venture into a thriving business.